Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we have a semicircle STP and PQRS as a parallelogram. So the first thing that comes to my mind would then be pi r square for circle. So later I will need to remember to times half. Also parallelogram, the area is base times height, where base and height is 90 degrees to each other. Find the perimeter of this figure. Okay. So we will then have to first find this, which is the circumference of a semicircle. So later on you will then see Mr. Tan have this half times the 2 pi r. Talking about r, which is the radius. This radius then will have to be 30 divided by 2, 15. So later on you will see 15. Okay. And the rest is simply, I just need to write it down here, is 16, and here is also 30. From here to here. So for the perimeter, you can then see that Mr. Tan have this. Half times 2 times 15. 2 times 15 is 30 times pi. So this whole thing is my circumference of the semicircle. Of course, I will have a 16, 30, and 16 to complete the perimeter, to give me the answer to be given in 3 significant figures. 109 cm, 15 pi plus 62. Okay. As for the area of the figure, you will then see that the area is half of pi r square, which is the semicircle, followed by base times height of the parallelogram. And I must make sure the base and the height is 90 degrees. So from here you can then see that this is what I will have. Half times 15 square times pi, half pi r square. That's my area of the semicircle, the area here. My area of the parallelogram, which is this whole thing, will simply be 15 times 30, base times height. And this will give me a value of 803 cm square. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.